Hello, Putra. So we just wait for a while, let me change the rest to see whether they're coming or not. Hmm, see, Done, Just a moment. We have okay, there is. Okay, we'll start. We'll start while waiting for the rest. Okay, we'll start with that. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are actually practicing on the maths test paper. Okay, one is Rosyth, and this is from 2018. So let us try. So if you get answer, please send your answers by the chat. Okay, don't say out the answer. And we are starting, and we can you try these 3 questions? Thank you. In areas, you can also send by the chat. Okay, Putra, well done. How about Neris? One. Oh, there's some more. Razi, welcome. We are doing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you send your answers. Razi, you send your answers by the chat. Okay. How about Neris? We'll be going through the answer shortly. Okay, let us see. Okay, well done, Mr. Putra. In 1 minute's time, I'll show the answers. That's fast, Putra. Yeah, so that's it. You've not sent your answers. So now down here is very simple for the first one. Okay. You will be given some time, then after that. So down here now, you can see this. This is a 7 down here. You can pick out the 7. Then this one down here, you can bring it down. There you can see. I bring down how many zeros there are? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. You bring down this one now. How many digits? 1. So zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see this one is in. So we cancel. This one is in. This 7 is in. 7 is in. So the one is missing is this, which is number 4 here. Okay. That's simple. So the next one now. The next one. While you're doing the next one, I'll push it up so that Putra can do the bottom part. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Putra, hold on. I will shade it. Putra, you cannot see. I will shade it. Okay. Shafia, welcome. We are doing question 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is like a SA1 P4 level. So we hope that you are able to score. So Neris, can you send your message, Neris? Can I? Once you get answer, you just try. Take the risk. Just when you go skateboarding, whatever, you take a risk, right? Same thing. As a human being, you must take the risk. Sometimes you might win, sometimes you might lose, sometimes you might fall. So we are now waiting for the rest to give the answers. Question 2, 3, and 4. Come, Shafia. Question 2, 3, 4. Shafia, you book already, Shafia? Yes, huh? You all want to have food, whatever, just bring whatever you want and munch, okay? You can have a potluck here. Come, Neris. I'm waiting for you, Neris. Come, try. Question 2, question 3, question 4. Question 2, all you need to do is like this. Just try. Okay. Well done, Shafia. Razik, is the answer for question 2 also? You have you given answer question 2 not yet, right? Well done, Neris. Well done. Okay, well done. So what about Razik? What's your answer for question number 2? Oh, we do it together. 7 times 4, 28. Carry the 2 tens here. 1 times 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 times 4, 8. You're going to multiply the next number with a 0. 7 times 1, 7. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. Add together. 8. Since 13. Carry 1. Add again, get 10 over here. So 3038. How to do? Okay, don't need to type fraction. Okay? So how to type fraction? You can do this. Let's say now it's 2, 7. You put the stroke 7. Something like that. Okay, but anyway, so now 3037 is there. This next one now. Okay, Shafia, well done, Shafia. Okay, you need to do something like this, like that. You have to do like this, and then you find out what's the answer. So we are waiting for Razik. We are waiting for also Mary's. My ink went out, so I got there's no ink here, but I do not know what happened. I cannot. Why? Just sorry. I just could not have. Yes. So now you can just do that. Then come on. You try 1, 2, 3, 2 divided by 4. Okay, send your answers, please. Let me see whether Mr. Putra has already sent his answer. Okay, Putra says that. Let's see. Okay, Putra, your answer is correct. Congratulations. Okay, we just wait for the rest. What time we end? Hey, we just start lah. Someone asked what time we end. I'm so sad. When student ask what time we end, that means they're already bored already. Aduh, kesiannya. Okay, we end at 9:30. But during the fasting month, sometimes we can end 5 minutes earlier, sometimes 10, sometimes 15. If let's say I see you on a pingsan, we end 15 minutes earlier lah. Okay. If really cannot, then we end earlier than that. It all depends on you. Okay. So let us see now the next one now. Divide by 4. 1 cannot divide by 4. So we can put a 0 if you want to. If you want to, you can put a 0 here if you want to. If you don't want to put 0, so don't need. Okay. 12 can divide by 4. So you write 12 over here. Okay. And you get 3. Okay, this one you remove. So I remove this first now, so that you're not distracted. And then what happens? And then you minus. Okay. Sorry, I need to go bring. Then you bring down this 3. You bring down the 3. Can 3 divided by 4? Cannot. Must put a 0. Then you bring down another body, which is 2. 32 can get 8 lah. If let's say your timetable is bad, what do? You write down a 4 timetable straight, like 4 days, and then you can so on so forth. Now we move to the next one now. Next one, very simple. Number 4. Anyone answer now? Only 1%. Razik, yes, 2. What? This number 4. We count shaded in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 out of what? Total is how many? Write 8 first out of. Easy. That's easy. Assuming it's shaded, total number. Hello, what happened? Sorry, I do not know what happened. Did I disappear? I disappeared. So sorry. Okay. Okay, we move on to the next one. Symmetry figure, we don't need to this thing. This one over here, remember, you can use your ruler. Okay, this one, we can use your ruler to do what? You can use your ruler to see what is 90 degrees. You see down here? Your ruler, the edge of it, you can see, is it 90 degrees? Oh, 90 degrees. This square thing is 90 degrees. But not only ruler, there are many things that you can use. You can also use the edge of a card. And you see it's also 90 degrees, no? So what do you do? Let's say now if I were to draw, I'll draw for you some, I'll just show you so that you know what I'm talking about. Now down here. Okay, I draw this angle here. Is this 90 degrees? Can you see? You see it looks 90 degrees. So I put it now down here. I put it here. I put it. Can you see that this is actually bigger than 90 degrees? Can see now? It's bigger than 90 degrees. Can see? Because it's bigger than a square. So you can use your ruler down here. Fix it down here. Oh, this one's bigger. What is exactly 90 degrees? It must fit nicely. So you can use a ruler. You can use a card. You can use the edge of a paper like that. But make sure that the square is there. That's 90 degrees. Okay, let us see. And go. Which angle is less than 90 degrees? So please find out. How many of them are less than 90 degrees? 90 degrees is the square. Okay. 90 degrees is the square. For me, I can use like that. Can you see not this thing? This is, can you see this thing? Can you see this square? I can use this square to check one by one, but it's more or less. So you see this edge down here. You all can see, right? That's 90 degrees for me. Let us see now. Someone came up with the answer. Let us see. Mr. Putra. Hold on. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. What about the rest? Which one is less than 90? Smaller than 90 degrees? Come on, you know. You know, smaller than 90 degrees. Come on. Chop. Razik, congratulations, Razik. What about the two girls? Come on. be doing it. You know, girls are now ruling the world. Last time when I was a young boy, most of the principals of the school are all men, you know. Now most are women. Okay, BCD. Let us see. Yeah? So some of you say different answers. What about Miss Shafia? Miss Shafia. Okay, let's say BCD. This angle, let us go. Which one is it? ABC. You know which angle? ABC. This one is ABC. Is it more or less than 90? Okay, let us take this thing. I'm going to draw this. I'm going to use this one so that you can see. Yeah. Can you see now this thing? This is more than 90 degrees. You can see, no? Can you see the square? It's more than 90 degrees. It's not. ABC is not. What about BCD? BCD is down here. We put it down here. It's more than 90 degrees. BCD, can you see now? It's more than 90 degrees. So how? BCD is not. AFE. AFE, if you were to put the 90 degrees, you can see whether it's bigger or smaller. Okay, down here, see. You put the 90 degrees down here. And then it goes. Can you see this is so much smaller? Smaller lah. So AFE is correct. Some say FAE. FAE is not the same angle as AFE. Yeah? If you say FAE, remember, it's always the center letter is the angle. Center letter is R, A. FAE, no such thing as the angle FAE lah. FAE is F to A to E. Mana ada angle ini? There's no angle lah. Hey, don't create your own angle. Who's that telling me it's FAE? I repeat, you now this is EFA. You see, the center name is F. You see down here. You can call it EFA or FAFE. Can AFE, but don't say FAE. FA. There's no line to the E. You have to draw your own diagram. Don't draw your own diagram. Don't Don't create your own question. So the answer down here is number 3. Move on. Let's move on to the next one now. Okay. This one you know lah. This one you know. Which of these is not a factor? Factor means cannot be divided. 18 cannot be divided by one of these numbers. Which is it? 18 cannot be divided by one of these numbers. Which is it? Yes, that's what they're saying. Then you do the next one also. Next one, huh? I will help you this question. I will draw the thing. If you know how to do it, alhamdulillah, very good. When a number, we do not know what the number is divided by 3. The quotient is 516. Quotient is the number on top here. And the remainder is 2. What is this number here? What is this number? That is the question for number 8. Let us see, Mr. Putra. Mr. Putra, congratulations, Mr. Putra. You will, for yourself, the gold award. Please meet Madam Rosanna and collect your prize. You know what's your prize, right? $100 voucher. Woo! Now Putra is not at all impressed. He says, I want the real money. What about Razik? What's your answer? Question 7. What about Shafia? Shafia looks stronger in a week. She looks so she really hide from the camera. What is this? Come on. The rest of you, please. Neris, where are you? Neris disappeared. If I'm lagging, please tell I'm lagging. Congratulations, Ms. Husna Shafia. 10 points for that. Later correct for mommy, $10. Mr. Razik. Come on, Mr. Razik. Question number 7. Come on. You can do this. Which one cannot be divided? 18 cannot be divided. Which one? Which one cannot? 18 cannot divide by. 18 cannot divide by which one? Which number like that? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? You have 5 seconds to give the answer. Otherwise, you will explode. You already said, I cannot hear. You must type in. You don't have to type in. Oh, 8. Okay, congratulations. Cannot be divided by 8. Yes, you are correct. Why? You will not get a whole number. So the answer number is number 1 option here. What happened to Neris? I still do not know. She has disappeared. Okay, hold on. Sorry. This is clearing the... Yes, come on. This one, next one. Come on, chop. Offer. Come on, try. This is where is it? Oh, we got the first answer. Yeah, I got a feeling it's from Putra. Shafia. Hold on, let me check. Remember, I'll just write the question for you again. If you do not know how to do this, we need to show you in a moment. Hey, no, sorry. This is not the number.
Should I give my answer?
You give your answer?
My answer is number...
Oh, number 1. Number 1.
Oh, yeah, number 1.
Who is that? Putra, is it? Is it Putra? Who was the one talking to me? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Me. Oh, Shafia. Shafia, yeah, you gave your answer. Congratulations, yes. I saw. It's not number 1, you say. So, this is divided by 3. Okay, if you do not know this, I have to show you on the board. The other class also do not know this. I expect Putra to know this. Putra, you know how to do this one, Putra, number 7. Okay, Razi, the answer, let me see. Husna Shafia, well, very interesting. And then there is a remainder of 2, no, they say. So I'm going to show you on the board. Putra, what's the answer, Putra? Putra, are you there? Over? Hello? Mayday, are you there, Putra? What's your answer, Putra? This is like Patrick, is it? Patrick. Okay, so now down here, let's say now we do simple stuff. There's an experiment. Okay, let's do an experiment. You can do this for maths. That's what I used to do. You know, last time, computer. 2 hours. So I change my Wi-Fi now. Aku dah bilang dia tak bisa. Hello. Are you there? Hello, are you there? Come in, boys and girls. Boys and girls, come in. Boys and girls, are you there? Okay, I'm so sorry. I've just changed my internet connection. I do not know what happened to the home Wi-Fi. It used to be very stable. Now it's unstable. Well, when I was in Sec 2, I failed my maths. Sec 3, I had to learn everything by myself. So I have to test. Now, how to test? I'm going to show you. Let's say now you're given now, let's say 20 divided by 3, let's say. So we divide by 3. Say what? 2 cannot divide by 3, but 20 can get 18, right? Okay, what times 3? 18, 6. And this is 2. Imagine now you do not know this number. You want to find out this number. How to find this number? Watch, 6 times 3, 18. Plus 2 becomes 20. You take this number times this number. 6 times 3, 18. Plus the 2. I'm going to test you now. Very easy. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 2. Okay, plus the remainder. Okay, now I am going to give you this question. We do not know what this number is. When it's divided by 2, we get a quotient of 14. There's a remainder of 1. What is the number? Can you please type into your Check. Chayo, Miss Neris, you are representing your school. Everyone is cheering for you. Wow, Razik, very fast, Razik. Oh. Putra, come on, Putra. What about Mr. Putra and the rest? You know what to do? The same thing as I said. This times this, answer plus this. This times this, get answer plus this. What about Husna Shafia? Husna Shafia, go and divide. I said times lah, Husna Shafia. This times this. You go in this divide this plus this. Tak boleh lah. You must listen to instructions. 14 times 2. You take 14 times 2. What do you get? 4 times 2, 8. When you plus the 1 gets 29. 29, can see, yeah? We are going to try one more time. Again, this times this plus the remainder. Okay, here we go. I am thinking of a number. What is number? I can't tell you. I'm going to test you about it. Now, I divide it by 3. I get 1, 1, 2. And there's the remainder of 2. And go. Type in your answer. Here we go. Come on, Chayo. Neris. I'm cheering for you, Neris. Shafia, stop turning off your video. Come back. We all miss you. Otherwise, we'll strangle you, Shafia. Why, Shafia? Always running. Wow, Razik, very fast, Razik. Razik, huh? Congratulations, Mr. Razik. Putra, what happened, Putra? You got a chair, Putra. Shafia forgot to add the 2, Shafia. You got to add the 2, Shafia. Neris, come on, Chayo, Neris. Okay, well done to Mr. Putra also. Okay, so you take 1, 1, 2 times 3. Now, sometimes you're slow in timetable. That's where the problem is. That's why you got to practice the cards. You know, my wife, she memorizes the Quran. Huh? She got to read Quran very fast. But her husband cannot read the Quran well. That's me. Shame on me. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 3, 3. 336. Don't say this is the answer. You have to plus the 2. You got 3, 3, 8. We'll go for one more round. Okay. And watch. What is the number? I don't know. But you divide it by 4. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get a remainder of 3. What is the number? Come on, Neris. You can do this, Neris. Neris listening to music. From the way she's moving her body. Come on, Shafia. Come on, Shafia. Come on. Wow. Mr. Kashril cannot be Kashril. Putra, you go. Oh, now you give a different answer. I just wanted to tell you it's not possible. Okay, let us see. We are waiting for the rest. What about the rest? Anyone else? Congratulations, Mr. Putra. You have overtaken Mr. Razik. Come on, Razik. Very easy. This times this, answer plus this. This times this, answer plus this. This times this, answer plus this. I think I might be having a nightmare. Okay, come on. We have to show you, those of you who don't type in the answer, we have to show you the answer very soon. Come on. We don't have time. Razik, well, is it true? You check, Razik. We're going to check down here. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4, 16. Carry the 1. 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Carry the 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Not 8. You must plus the 1, Mr. Razik. 1 times 4 is 4. But this is not the answer. You have add the 3 plus the 3 plus the 3. So you get 4, 9, 3, 9. And that's the end. Shafia, how come you get 4, 9, 3, 1? I think...
Oh, my answer 4939. I got
493. Okay, no problem. Okay, well done. Okay, more or less you know how to do it. If you're not giving the answer, maybe you are a little bit slow on your timetable, it's okay. Okay, I had one student, many students who are very weak in timetable. But you try out the timetable. Make your own set of cards. Push yourself. Okay, so down here, how to do this one? You know how to do lah. You try to do. You do this one. Come on, come on. You know how to do this one. Okay, they say the quotient is 516. You divide by 3. You want to find what's the number. The remainder is 2. You know how to do. You know how to do. Come on, come on, come on. Tell you. You know, first one. Who's the first one? Shafia, you are the first one. I can see you're smiling. Shafia, go, Shafia. Come on.
Which one?
Sama. Ya Allah, we are doing number 8. So you, and number 8. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. Number 8 down here. Can you see number 8 kan? I even show you the working down here. You learned something today. You know what to do, right? Come on, Razik. Congratulations, Razik. We are waiting for Shafia and Neris. Both ladies have turned off their videos. They say it's the new tudung. Cannot be lah, new tudung, turn off video. Come on, the next one, come. The boys, you move on to question number 9. You know why I'm talking like this? So that you don't fall asleep. It's not because I'm a sportscaster or you have a horse racing betting game. No, it's so that prevent you from macam mana dia sudah lupa lagi Puan Syafia. Jangan divide, kena times Puan Syafia, kena times ini Puan Syafia, jangan divide. Okay, your answer correct now. If you say the answer option is 4, answer is correct. Okay, we'll show you how to do this. Neris, are you there, Neris? Come in, Neris. Neris,
Lagging.
Neris, are you there? 516. Okay, 6 times 3, 18. I've already checked outside. Lagging. Is it still lagging? I think you might be lagging this time, not me. Which one of the fractions is smaller than 1? Let us see. I'm lagging. Okay, then I have to go outside to the. Okay, I will go outside to the. I'm lagging. Okay, I ask you one by one. Putra, am I lagging? No. Razik, am I lagging? No, now not. Putri, Putri, Allah. Shafia, am I
Lagging.
still lagging?
No, just now.
Just now. Okay, we try. I've changed to my handphone. So
You're lagging a little bit.
Lag. A little bit lagging. We try first. We try. We make do. Go to the hall and do my work. Okay, we try. Which one of these is smaller than 1? Can you all? Okay, Putra has given the answer. Putra, your answer. I'm so sorry. You say 5-3. 5-3 is bigger than 1. You see 5 divided by 3. No, this one. 5 divided by 3. Is it bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? 5 divided by 3. Yeah, you get what? You can divide by 3. You can get 1 here. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, you can get 1 out here. Okay, why? Because 3 divided by 3 get 1, you minus get 2. This is actually 5 divided by 3 is what? 1 whole 2 out of 3. Okay, correct. So this one now. 5 out of 6 is, yes, less than 1. How do you know? You have a pizza now, your pizza. Now you cut it into 6 parts. You cut it into 6 parts like that. 6 parts. And then you shade 5 parts. This is less than 1 pizza. Correct, Mr. Razik. Absolutely correct, Razik. You have done your school proud. Okay. So this is correct. This is less than 1 whole. 7 over 2. You will take 7 over 2. We divide, we get how many? We get a big number, 7 over 2. So you can get 6. You get 3 wholes and a half. You get 1 remainder here. So 3 whole. You see 3 on top. Remainder 1 over 2. 7 out of 6, same thing. Is more than 1. Divide by 6. You get 1 whole 1/17, you know. This one. So the answer is, as Razik says, 1/1/7. Okay, we move on to the next one. All right. So which one is smaller than 1 is number 2 only. If you look at the fraction, the top is smaller than the bottom. That means this is smaller than 1. If the top same as the bottom, 6/6, this is equal to 1 whole. Let's say you see now a happy face over happy face. Let's say lah. This one is also equal to 1 also. Is same thing over itself is equal to 1. Remember that, huh? If you say 3/3 is 1. If the top is smaller than the bottom, smaller than 1. If top bigger than bottom, bigger than 1. Remember, top is bigger than bottom, bigger than 1. Top down here bigger than bottom, bigger than 1. Top bigger than bottom, bigger than 1. So for you, your head now smaller than the bottom, so you're smaller than 1. Maybe lah, that's not, but we are not mathematics lah. We are not mathematics. Our body is not mathematics. Okay, come on, let's try. I'm gonna draw for you the line so that you can see a little bit clear. Ini. You can count now. Ding. Down here, so there's one. Careful lah. I write for you down here. Can you see this one? This is 1 liter down here. This is 1 liter lah. If you cannot see, it's 1 liter here. This one is 2. This one is 1. Can see, huh? Can you see the 1 here? This 1 here, can see, yeah? So what is the answer? Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do this. Come on, boys and girls. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Remember, I tell you the clue again. I tell you the clue again. You can do this. Neris, even if you don't know, anyone who don't know, just try out. Give a number. This one down here is 1. This one down here is 1. We just learned if the top number is smaller than the bottom, this is less than 1. Do you think this is less than 1? Of course not. So one of them is it. Okay, Razik says that. Congratulations, Mr. Razik. I agree with you. So how to do this? What about Mr. Putra? Look between 1 and 2. Okay, 1, 0. This is 0. So 0 and 1, we see how many parts are there. I go and count for you, okay? I will count for you so that you can see. This is 1 part. This is 2 parts. This is 3 parts. This is 4 parts. This is 5 parts. So 5 out of 5 parts is equals to 1. Good. So this one down here, if let's say down here, this part down here is 1 out of 5 lah, liters. If let's say we go down here, this one is 4. This is 4 out of 5 lah. Down here, see. Down here, this is 4 out of 5 liters. So I'm going to go one by one. Down here, this one is 1 and 1/5 liters. This one down here, 1 and 2/5 liters. Because there's 5 parts. What? This one, 1 and 3/5 liters. Okay, this one down here, 1 and 4/5 liters. This one. Then what about the up one? See, 1 and 5/5 liters. Correct. 1/5 is something. Remember, 5/5 is 1. So 1 plus 1 give you 2 liters. So the answer is number 2. Okay. All right. We move on. We move on. We move on. Okay. I hope you are learning something new. Huh? I hope you are learning something new. Okay. This is not an eye test, but never mind. We're not going to go through that. This one now. This one. This one. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Peter, he's facing northeast. Peter is facing northeast. Where is northeast? Northeast. Peter is facing here. So now he's going to turn 90 degrees clockwise. What is 90 degrees clockwise? You try, you see, I'm going to just check. Sure, Naris, go, 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 go. Okay. One say southeast is the answer. Another one say northwest is the answer. Okay. Which one is correct? What about the girl? What about Husna Shafia? The two boys have answered. One says southeast, another one says northwest. What do you say, Miss Shafia? Would you say southwest? Okay, we give her 5 seconds to answer. Timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay, what's the answer, Miss Shafia? Now, first of all, you must know what's clockwise. So we ask Mr. Razik. Okay, Neris says northwest also. Okay, let's see. 1 step 45 degrees, Razik says. So now, first of all, what is clockwise? What is anti-clockwise? Clockwise, you look at your clock. You look at the clock. I go and take a clock. You wait for a while. I'll take a clock. Just a moment. Okay. Don't go away. Don't go away. I take one clock. Aku takut ada cicak di belakang the clock. Okay, look at this clock. I am now going to minimize and stop the. You can see it's a very clockwise. You follow the clock. You look at the red thing. It's going ting 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 ting. So if it goes around this way like that, it's going clockwise. But if you go opposite, it's anti-clockwise. Like people going around the Kaaba, anti-clockwise. Do you know that? People going. Okay, I will show you now. People going around the Kaaba. Okay, I'll show you. People going around the Kaaba. Where is this? Yeah, got so many people. You can check. Not pimple. Pimple is different. People going around Kaaba. You know what's a Kaaba? This is a Kaaba, right? You look at the images. You will see. Can you see they're walking this way? They're walking this way now, like that. So they are going this opposite direction. Okay, if they go, can you see that they're walking in this side? They're walking this direction. So they're going round, round, round. They're going anti-clockwise. So now let us look at your question. What did your question say? See, I don't know what my question says now down here. Down here is clockwise. What is clockwise? Clockwise, imagine this is 12, right? This is 3, this is 6, this is 9. Imagine a clock lah. Then you can see right how the clock moves right down here, right? You can see again. So it goes from 12 to 3 clockwise. Then you go clockwise like that. This is clockwise. But what is the question saying? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise lah. Clockwise. So 90 degrees. You do not know what's 90 degrees, you use your ruler. Okay. You are supposed to go clockwise 90 degrees. So now I'm use another color. We start now from the beginning. Peter is facing northeast. This is northeast down here. Northeast. Peter is facing like that. Now put your 90. Now he's supposed to turn this direction. So it cannot be northwest. Down here to here, this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So the student who says southeast, I think it's Mr. Razik, you are correct. If you say 90 degrees, let's say now they change the question like this, anti-clockwise, then Putra will be correct. Okay, but they did not say anti-clockwise. They say clockwise. So sorry. So the answer is southeast. Okay, here we go. We continue now with the next one. Good try. This one now. Quite a number of students are having headache with this question. A number rounded off to 4,000. What is the number? Round off to 4,000. You can do it, Naris. You can do it. Let us see. We have the first one. Razik and Putra says the same thing. To the nearest 10. What about the two ladies? We are waiting for the two ladies. Come on, today this. Nearest 10. So we can try one by one lah. 3994.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's the meaning of rounded?
Rounded means they want to make it agak-agak closest to. Agak, okay, in Malay they say, now you got 1,999. Agak-agak berapa ribu you ada. Rounded off means agak-agak how many ribu. That's what's rounded off. So you must take agak-agak berapa ribu means round off to the nearest 1,000. Agak-agak berapa ratus you have in your bank, that's round off to the nearest 100. You understand Malay not? Agak-agak berapa ribu, you understand, right? Means roughly how many thousand you got in your bank, or roughly how many hundred you have in your bank. So you must know that is rounding off lah. They want to know roughly how many. This is your, as I asked some students before, do you know how many hair you have on your head? Agak-agak how many thousand? I think I ever showed you is 100,000, right? Roughly, according to scientists, it says about 100,000. So now, if nearest 10 is how many tens is this? So that I see lah, we go one by one. In order to see the number of tens, you must look at the digit beside it, which is this is ones, tens, 100,000. So tens is here. So now you must look at the one beside it. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus 1. So in this case, we don't plus 1. When you round off, is 3990. This is not the answer. We try the next one. 3998. 3998. To the nearest 10. Underline 10. Look at the digit now, 8. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't add 1. If it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, add 1. Now, oh, this is 8. You must add 1 on here. When you add 1, this one becomes 10. So 10, and then you add, basically, it becomes 4,000. So this is your answer. Okay, never mind, we move on. Okay, I think there's some still looking blur, but we still move on first. Okay, here we go now. Let me see. No, we move on. Okay, serentak, we move on. Okay, you try this too. So down here, Miss Shafia, number 17. We are doing 16 and 17. 17 is asking in Malay, agak-agak berapa ribu? This is what it is. 17,499, agak-agak berapa ribu, eh? That's how the Malays are saying, rounding off. But we are not doing maths in Malay lah. But you need to understand what it means. So you must understand why people ask agak-agak. They don't need to know the detail. Well done, Mr. Putra.
Wait, what?
Hey, wait, hold on. Well done, Mr. Putra. Yes, we will end at 9:30. Alamak, everyone's asking me. They can't wait to leave. Don't worry. If we need to leave earlier, we will leave earlier, okay? We must plus by 100. Miss Shafia, very simple this one. Come on, you can do this. Come on. You cannot make mistakes on this. Razik, what about your answer, Razik? You just plus 100. Tambah 100 lah. How come you get the answer? You go in minus 100, Shafia. Shafia, read the question properly. They say more, you say less. How come? Say, I want to do opposite. Please be careful. Huh? If you find you're doing opposite, you got to check. I got one student. He say plus, you write minus. At times, he say divide. And then I think he's dyslexic. And I told the mother, what is dyslexic? Dyslexic means say the B and D, to them is almost the same, you know. They cannot really see the difference between the two. So
Some people say Lee Kuan Yew was dyslexic. It doesn't matter if you are dyslexic. You need to go for some exercises. That's all. So down here they say more. Your mind you see less. So maybe you got to check. You got to check. Yeah. So Shafia, congratulations. Razik, congratulations. We are waiting for Miss Neris. Come on, Miss Neris. You got very nice hand, Neris. Come on. What is the answer, Neris? Come on. Neris, down here, you just want 100 more. You just need to plus. 5, 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry the 1. Then 9 plus 1, 10 again. And you get 10,058. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, the next one, let's say, nearest 1,000. Razik says that, selamat buka puasa. Okay, Putra also well done. So down here, nearest 1,000. Let us identify where's nearest 1,000. This is ones. This is tens. This is hundreds. See, you can see once you know where's the ones, and this is 1,000. Sorry, not 1,000. This is 100. Ya Allah, I missed the number. Sorry, sorry. This one is 10. The next one beside it is 100. The next one beside it is 1,000. So they want to know to how many thousand is this? Agak-agak berapa ribu So agak-agak berapa ribu? We must look, we underline this. We look at the one beside it, the digit. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't plus 1. So this is 4, you don't plus 1. So leave the answer is 17. The rest all becomes 0. Okay. So this is 17,000. Agak-agak kita ada 17,000 something. That's what it's saying. Okay. You must understand why rounding off is important. Let's say now you are inviting guests to your party. And then you say the number of person exactly coming is about 2,027. They say roughly how many thousand we prepare food for that, how many thousand, or roughly 2,000. So it's clear, see? You know what I mean? It gives you an idea. Rather than you tell very clearly, I got the details. Sometimes it's too much detail. Now you can try to find these two. Come on, you can do this. What's the remainder when you divide 256 by 7? And the mass or weight of computers 1,432. What's the total of two such computers? Okay, I put back my clock first. Very sorry. Let us see how many persons have already answered. It's all 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock. We have no one has answered. Hey, what happened? Come on, Razik. You're supposed to be Speedy Gonzalez. You all know who Speedy Gonzalez? I was explaining to the other class who Speedy Gonzalez. Later I'll show you who Speedy Gonzalez is. When your parents were young, they watched this cartoon. It's called Speedy Gonzalez. I'm going to check later for it. We're waiting for you, yes. Okay, we got the first answer. Let me just check. Yeah. Let us see. Okay, so you need to work on your timetable. Okay, you need to work on your timetable, but don't give up. Okay, don't give up. Okay, I've taught many students. Those of you, I'm not good in timetable. I'm not good in divide. I'm not good in times. I've taught students. You know how they used to count. And now they're so fast. Okay, I will show you later a photograph of a student I taught more than 20 years ago. And when I taught him, and he's a Chinese boy, you know. And I'll tell you the story. I'll show you the photograph later in a moment. But let us see now. What is the remainder? Okay, let us try lah. Let us try. Okay, we say Putra and I think have given an answer. Okay, we just do it there. Okay, so if you are weak in your 7 timetable, what do you do? Well, okay, here's the trick lah. Here's the trick. You write down 7 timetable. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6, 42. For now, you do this way. But after that, you make sure you improve in your timetable. Okay, I will show you later the boy. Today, he's an architect, you know. He's an architect. And he used to be from foundation. I was teaching him from foundation. Can you imagine? And his parent, his mother always call him, you stupid boy, you stupid boy. I'm teaching him tuition, he's saying stupid boy. But anyway, here we go. So now down here, this is 21. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can put 3 down here. So I get 21. Okay. And then, sorry. Yeah. But make sure you write down the right timetable. Then you minus, you get 4. You bring down the 6, 46. So 7, 14, 42 can, 40, 49 cannot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times 7 is 42. I can do this way. Right? And so the remainder is what? The remainder is 4. They just want to ask you what is the remainder. The remainder is 4. Okay? Now the next one, they ask, the mass of a computer is 1,432 grams. What's the total mass of 2 such computers? 1, 4, 3, 2 times what? Times 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 2, 2. So this is your answer. That's all. 2,864 grams. I'm going to show you the student now. Okay, the student that okay, you can see the student. Okay, this first of all is Speedy Gonzalez. Okay, I do not know whether you have seen this cartoon before, but to go to my website, I have a website with my name, just shahidsalim.com. Okay, down here. So down here now, I show you which is the student. Okay, which is the student. Sometimes I may write about you, no? Hey, don't do that, cancel, who's that? Now this is the student. This student, last time when I taught the student says at primary 6, no, I taught him at primary 6. He was in the foundation class. He said, teacher, headache. Every time headache. And the mother down here, this is the mother. The mother will say, you stupid boy. But the mother loved the son. But sometimes the mother gets so frustrated, the son, the mother said, no, you better learn harder, try harder. And then finally he passed his maths and he was able to understand many things. Now he's working as an architect, designing homes and houses. This is one. I can show you other students. Okay, I'll show you other students. This is not my student. This is someone lived about 200 years ago. Okay, he's not my student. Don't ask me, is that your father also? That can't be my father, right? Older post down here. Okay, down here. You can look at some of the, where is it? I show you so that you know some of them. Oh, very long time ago. There's one particular class, all of them fail maths, you know. Within 1 year, all of them pass maths. Okay, where is that class? Where is that class? Ya Allah, where's the class? The class is just so far away. This class. This student went into, this student, hey, remove this lah. Remove this thing. Who's this? You know this boy here? This boy who's doing, you know, he got an A star for maths, but he didn't fail before. He used to pass. He is in a NUS high school now. This one now, this boy, he is now in where? Okay, these are all who fail. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this person did not fail. This is the tutor. Now down here now, okay, this person, all these they used to fail at primary 5, primary 4, maybe primary 3. Within 1 year they pass maths. But they work very, very hard. But when did they work very hard? During my tuition sessions. But when they reach primary 6, on their own in the last few months, they work hard and they pass their maths. All of them pass. There's another class down here, this one. This one used to pass, no problem. This one used to fail, used to fail. This girl, you know how much she got? She got an A for PSLE. And at primary 5, she failed. Primary 4, she failed. She didn't have any other tuition. She did extra work at home. So you can read about, basically this is a true story. This happened in which year? In the year 2018. Okay, down here you can see, if you want to know a little bit about me, I have quite an interesting, I think you can see in the media side. See, I directed this documentary, if you want to watch, about ukiran Melayu. And I did something about Bomo here. Bomo, you know Bomo? Down here. In this documentary, you can see people taking out a glass from the body. I got really frightened. You know? Down here, you can see I acted even in a movie. Can you see this is me, you know? This movie, you know who is this girl? You watch Pontianak in Singapore. This is my sister in that show. So I work with some of the stars down there. This is Johan Rajalawak, Saiful Apik, Nabil. You know Nabil? I was working, this is Fazura lah. So if you have your dreams, you really want to achieve your dreams, it's possible. Now I can make a movie on my own if I want to. Okay, this is me. I'm working on the set with them. I was working on the set. I wrote the script. I even acted in the movie. Okay, down here, can you see me as a dodo boy? This is actually the director, and I'm behind the scenes. I'm the like project manager here. Okay, we and the director. This was 10 years ago lah. And then you can see, you know who this is? This is Johan Rajalawak. I do not know. They are all very popular stars in Malaysia, and I got a chance to work with them. I did 3 movies with them. This is the girl in Fazura. If you watch on Netflix, there's a movie called Pontianak. It's Singapore-made film. She's the Pontianak. So she's quite a big star also lah.
What's the movie name?
Pontianak. Pontianak, I think is the name. This movie. This movie, I better not tell you lah. This movie nonsense. Okay, this is a documentary I make on what? On the Bomo in Sarawak. See, I went to Sarawak and did all sorts of stuff. I went to this place, there's no electricity. I went to the Dayak people in the jungle. You can see all these are the Dayak people in the jungle, you know. Down there, they don't have any, you want to go toilet, you got to go to the river. One day I wanted to go toilet, I want to kencing, not tahan already. I had to run very early in the morning, cannot control. Run to the river, before reaching the river, they are kencing. Aduh, cannot control. So down here, this is the Dayak community. This is like the Bomo lah. Okay, and so down here we are in the Bomo's house. There are different Bomos. Okay, down here see this Dayak, they have the Dayak dance lah in the jungle. They live in a rumah panjang, they call it. Okay, I just show you a little bit so that you know. So I'm directing the documentaries. This one now I'm doing on Ukiran Melayu. Ukiran Melayu, if you know, it's very Islamic. And I even get a lady to read the Quran so that I can put it inside the video there. She's reading the Quran, I'm putting, this is me lah, 10 years ago. Okay. Why am I showing you this? If you have your dreams, you can achieve your dreams. You can achieve your dream, but you must be patient, you must be hardworking lah. So mathematics, is it important? Mathematics is your brain exercise. You say, no, I don't want. That means you don't want to exercise your brain. I'm not from the film industry. How can I make films? Because I use my brain and Allah help me. I leave it to you now. Anyway, let's go back to maths. Okay, here we go. You try this too, come on. You try this too. Okay, we have about 20 minutes left. How can? You eating lollipop mah, miss? Aduh, sedap mah. What is that you eating? Lollipop or what? Straw, ya Allah. I thought you're eating lollipop. You're eating straw. I've seen some documentary about animals that eat straw. It's harmful to them. Anyway, question number 20. They want you to change. Fill in the numbers in the boxes to express each of it as a whole number. Ask yourself, what divided by 3 give you 2? What divided by 8 give you 3? That will give you the answer. What divided by 3 give you 2? What divided by 8 give you 3? Come on, you can do this. You can do this. Anyone? One. Come on, Putra. What divided by 3 equals to 2? What divided by 3 equals to 2? Very easy, very easy. Very easy, you all don't know.
Which one?
This one, you cannot see? Question A. Can see now? Cannot see. I will show the screen. Don't know whether you can see or cannot see. Can see, kan? Oh, raise hand. Okay, you like tell the answer lah. Okay, tell the answer. Putra, what's the answer? What divided by 3 equals to 2?
Is it
1
1?
divided by 3? How come 1 divided by 3 equals to 2? How come mathematics division lah? Hello, 1 divided by 3 equals to 2. How come you all don't know? You all know lah. You know, you only pura-pura don't know. That's why you're in Singapore. What divided by 3 equals to 2? What divided by 3 equals to 2? Anyone? Come on, Miss Naris, come on. Don't look at the TV, Miss Naris. Come on. Tell me what's the answer. Don't look there, Naris. Look here. Come on, Naris. What divided by 3 equals to 2? Yes, 6. Congratulations. Naris, you sound a little bit different. Anyway, now what about the next one? 1 divided by 8 equals to 3. What divided by 8 equals to 3? Come on. Offer. Come on. What divided by 8 equals to 3? What divided by 8 equals to 3? You know the answer. See, I put all this too many dots. What's the answer? Anyone? If you don't know, you say 2 times 3, 6. Okay. 1 divided by 8 equals to 3. Come on, you know the answer. What? Okay, someone send the answer now. Alhamdulillah. Who is this person? Husna Shafia. Wow, she says the answer is 24. Well done, Miss Shafia. Girl power to you. Okay. 3 times 8 is 24, correct? 24 divided by 8 is 3. Okay, for that, collect your gift from your mama. All right, let us move on to the next one. Okay. We go on to the next one. Okay, here we go.
Oh, my mother has to give me.
Your mother do not want to give. Do not want to give
My
present.
mother to give me the gift.
Yeah, you ask your mother to give. Give lah. Let's try. Come on, let's try. Rosie used 38 buttons in a box. How many buttons did she have? Okay, I tell you what, we will move on to the next one. I move on to the next one because I think you are getting a little bit tired. If I move on, if I don't, we start again now. Raffles girls. You know who's Raffles, then? They say that Raffles founded Singapore. Do you think it's true? The Raffles found Singapore. Singapore was lost before that. Before that, the Malays were already on the island for hundreds, maybe thousands of years, you know. Okay, Raffles actually, he was not really the founder lah. But anyway, I better not say anything that's bad. Okay, can you try question 1, 2, 3, please? Question 1, 2, 3. Yes, Shavia, you send me your answers. Send me your answers in the chat. Oh, you have sent an answer. What movie did I act in? Okay, the first movie I acted in is a crazy movie. I wrote this movie. I was Sea Giller inside the jail.
Oh, you got tell us before.
The movie is called Seafood dan Tonga.
Watch it.
You watched already? Is it a lousy movie? It's a crazy movie, yeah. Well, that was my first experience. In that movie, I acted with Era Fazira. She was, I think, Miss World for Malaysia or something. But she's a very nice woman. Some of these stars are nice, some not so nice lah. But Saiful Apid is a very nice guy. And Nabil was his first movie. He couldn't behave himself. I felt like, but never mind. That was a long time ago. Anyway, so we have Husna Shafia giving the answer. Congratulations, Husna Shafia. Collect another present from your mom. Your answer number 1 is correct. But in order to collect your present, you need to get 1, 2, and 3. Neris, come on, Neris. The digit 7. Write down the 7 at the zeros behind. Razik, congratulations on the question number 1. Question number 2. Razik, you are also correct. All right, well done. What about Putra? Putra, you raise your hand. What's your answer? Type it in, Putra. We're waiting for you. Shafia, number 2. Number 2, congratulations, Shafia. One more, you can collect a present.
What is multiply?
Sorry?
What is multiply? What is
Multiply means times. Multiply means times. You take 2, 7, 5, 6 times 8, multiply. Okay? multiply. You must know all this. What about Razik? What about the next one, Razik? What about Putra? Where are you, Putra? You went toilet.
Is my answer correct?
No problem. Correct, Shafia. Collect a present from your mom. You deserve the present. And for Mr. Putra, your answer is correct for question number 1. What about question number 2 and question number 3? Neris, we are waiting for you, Neris. All I can say to you is, Chayo, come on. You know, you are like in front of a swimming pool. No, you want to swim, but you're just standing there. All you need is dive into the pool. Dive into the pool. What about Razik? What about Razik? Question number 3. Razik, what's your answer? Question number 3. Putra, what about question number 2? Question number 3. See, it has to be like a game show. So remember, whatever you want in life, you can achieve. You can achieve whatever you want. But you must pay the price of hard work and doa. You must doa a lot. And be a good person. Allah will open up way for you. And Miss Neris, okay. First one is 3. Okay, correct. Second one, nearest 1,000. So when you have nearest 1,000, you remember, nearest 1,000 means 1,000 got how many zeros? 3 zeros. So your last 3 digits when they ask for nearest 1,000 must be 3 zeros. If they say nearest 100, the last 2 digit must be 100 because 100 got 2 zeros. Nearest 10 means must have 1 0. Why? The number 10 got 1 0. So if they say nearest 100 must be 2 zeros at the end. In nearest 1,000 must be 3 zeros. So this one possible maybe. This one is out because it's not 3 zeros. This one is also out because this is not 3 zeros. So it's either 1 or 4. So in order to know 1 or 4, we look at the 1,000 is here, we look at the one beside it. Oh, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1. So become 49,000. Question number 3, congratulations to Putra and congratulations to Neris. What about Razik? Yes, really, yeah. Okay, we move on to the next one. Okay. Down here, yes. This one. They ask you to divide 7063 by 7. And what is 8 meters? 8 cm. Remember, 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. 100 cm is 1 meter. Okay, let us see video, right? Congratulations to Mr. Putra for question number 4. You are the fastest so far. You will be given the title of Speedy Gonzales. You don't like Speedy Gonzales. You must watch cartoon. Huh? Have you seen a cartoon, Putra? Speedy Gonzales? No. It's a very nice cartoon.
You want movie?
No, cartoon. Speedy Gonzales.
What cartoon?
Speedy, I write down here, Speedy Gonzales. You check on YouTube, Speedy Gonzales. He has a special Speedy, Speed. Gone. They even have a song. If you don't mind, I will play the song for you. Do you want to play the song? The next question, I'll play the song for you. Speedy Gonzales. There's one song. Song and also the cartoon. All right, let's see. Anyone else? Razik has given both answers. Let's see. Congratulations for number 4, Razik. And number 5, congratulations also. Well done. Shafia. Okay, good. Great. So now, okay, with 7063 divided by 7. Huh? So now you need to divide by 7. Again, now here you can do what? If you're not so sure about 7 timetable, you write now 7, 14, 21, 28, what else? 35, some more, 42, 49, okay, 56. Okay, if you are still weak, never mind, write it down. You can do this. 63. So you keep adding 7. Oh, okay. 63 and 70. So down here, 7 divided by 7. What do you get? Oh, very simple. 7 divided by 7. I get 1.
I don't understand.
You don't understand which one? Sorry?
5.
5. Okay, we come to that in a moment. Then you bring down the 0. 0 cannot divide by 7. Right? So put a 0 here. Bring down the next one. You bring down a 6 also. 6 cannot divide by 7. You put another 0. Every time the number from the top cannot divide, you must put a 0. Then bring down your friend beside it. Okay, 63. As you can see, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 7 is 63, and that is your answer 1009 for question number 4. Now for this one, 1 meter is 100 cm. 100 cm. 8 meters, 800 cm lah. 1 meter 100 cm, 2 meters 200 cm, 8 meters is 800 cm. So this is 800 cm down here. Then you have 8 cm. So you plus 8 cm lah. 800 plus 8 is 808 cm. Okay, can you see? So this one 800 cm plus 8 cm, 808. It cannot be 88 lah. 88 is less than 1 meter. It cannot be 8,000 cm. Too big, too tall. It's like a flag pole like that, too high. So it's either one. Down here is 8 cm, this one 80 cm. I'm excited. Buka, I think too much sugar.
Syahid
Okay,
lagging.
yes, lagging. Okay, we have 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. Okay, I have to check my internet. Can you try this? They want the perimeter. The perimeter is down here. This is the perimeter. The perimeter is 60. So you know what this is? You know already what this is. You don't know this one, and there's 2 of them you don't know. So how to do? Clue, you take this, you know how to do. You try. You know this one, right? This one you know. You can even write a number here. This part here. See, oh yeah, no one. Oh, we got 1% here. Okay, but you only minus 1 aja. Okay, we do step by step.
What is perimeter?
What perimeter down here? Outline. This is a perimeter outline. The outline. The outside part only. The outline. This is perimeter. So now they say that this plus this plus this plus this is equals to 60. Perimeter 60. So this plus this plus this plus this. So let us go step by step. Step by step. I will now remove all this yellow part lah. Buat kacau . Okay, I remove this. But I cannot . Hold on, I just remove. This one is just, I do not know what happened to this. Okay. Now down here you see, this one you know, this is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. So if this is 12, down here is 12. Down here is also 12. So now perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4. I take 60 minus 12 minus 12. What do I get? I get 60 minus 12, I get 48. 48 minus 12, I get 36. What is 36? 36 is this part here, the balance part. 1, 2. 2 lengths. You see there's 1 length, 2 length. This is length. 1 length, 2 length. So 2 lengths is 36. What is 1 length? Take 36, divide by 2. Then you get what? When you divide, you get 18. But I show you, okay? I'm doing mentally already. After a while, when you do mentally, the numbers will come to you, pop into your head. You don't need to think. I'm not thinking of the number come to my head. So now that I'm bringing down the 6. So now you get 18. Can you see? 18. So this is 18. If you don't believe, you can plus 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. Plus 18 is 48. Plus 12 is 60. So how do we do? The step is we minus the one that we know. We minus 12, we minus 12. We get 36. Then we divide by 2 because this is for the balanced length. There's 2 length. There's 2 length, we divide by 2. Okay. Maybe I will stop here. I think maybe it's a little, but you know, I want to tell you, when I was your age, I have a lot of dreams, and many of the dreams were fulfilled. You know, I wanted to write books, I wanted to act, I wanted to make movies, I wanted to teach, I wanted to do so many things. And then I pray to Allah, but I work very hard, and Allah really helped. So if you have something you really want, but it must be halal lah. Okay, you don't say, I want to do something bad. I want to rob a bank. No, don't. That's not good lah. Or I want to, you know, I want to do something bad. Don't. You do something good. You can dream whatever you want. Allah will help you. So long as it's good. But you got to work very hard. And then you'll see miracles happening before your eyes. Okay. So that was what happened to me when I went to the film industry. You know, very, very interesting industry. And now today I can make a movie if I want to. If I have the money, I can make a movie about 4 children studying tuition. One of them is Putra, Naris, Shafia, and Razik. If you all are agreeable, we'll make a movie about the 4 of you. Okay? All right, I'll see you next week. All right? Okay, next Monday you take. Sorry? Yeah, it came out. You know the Malay channel. What's the Malay channel called? Not Surya.
I mean, like, you got come out the TV before, like.
TV, yes. Okay, for TV one, there's a few. There's documentary. That's the documentary bit. This one, the Surya punya. There's some Surya. If you want to see the no, not here. Videos, maybe videos. You check. This is under Wira Kita the film last year lah. And this is about mathematics because I want to really help the Muslim community to pass mathematics. You know that the Muslims 50% out of every 10 persons, 5 persons fail maths. The Chinese, out of every 10 person who take maths, 9 pass maths. We got to be better in maths, so I really want to do. So they talk about this, and then my work. This is one. But if you want to watch the documentary I do about Bomo, that's down here. Okay, you can just click down here, and then you can see the Bomo part. All right, this is
cannot see.
Yeah, teacher cannot see.
Okay, maybe you cannot hear. I
cannot see.
Terus saya
Ini
sedar
Teacher.
dia macam berkata-kata lah.
Sure.
Baguslah kamu ikut saya dan untuk
Now can see.
menyembuhkan orang yang sakit.
So who is
can
that?
see.
Janggut dia macam ini panjang.
This
saya
lady, I saw her
janggut
taking
dia,
out.
dia bawa,
Cannot.
saya
Try
jalan
again, try again,
berjalan.
Sure, I cannot see.
Sir, there's Bomo. I cannot see.
Okay.
Cannot see.
Okay, never mind. You cannot see. Okay, you want to see? You want to see? I will try to. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Yeah.
Wait. Can you see this now? Can you see the page?
No.
No, I never see.
Cannot see. Okay lah, never mind lah. Never mind. Maybe the Bomo is doing.
No,
something.
it's not there.
Okay, never mind. We'll see you again next week. All right.